next to your pole, your inside arm is high. This is the arm we call the inside arm. And stepping around the pole, always think about being on the tips of your toes and on the balls of your feet. Lifting the knees and dragging the toes, pushing off the floor. That's a pole walk, but I want you to think about the engagement of the arm when it's up there. So my arm is externally rotated through the shoulder, hand is up high, and then my palm is rotated the opposite way as my shoulder. Does that make sense? So externally rotated through the shoulder, internally rotated through the forearms. Yes, and then as you walk, you always want to keep a little bit of distance between you and the pole, unless you are doing something specific and you know you want to get closer to the pole. Switch directions other way, same thing. Hand stays high, externally rotated through the upper shoulder, bicep lifted towards the sky, re-grab on top as you come around. So the hand does not have to be super tight. You're just gripping and then re-gripping as you come around. You want the wrist to always be in line, so you don't want it to wrap around the pole like this. Always keep your wrist in line as you walk around. Walking, you can use your outside hand to do body tracing, and hair flips are always fun. So that is a pole walk.